Now many clients say to me that they have Microsoft Windows PowerPoint 2007 pre-installed, but they don't want to keep it. They have already bought Windows 2000. Now we want to open it with Windows 2000. If you want to open something with another program, you just right click on it, go on Eigenschaften or Properties, then you go on Change, and here you can select the programs. Now the thing is, you have to find Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office, here it is. Typically Office 12 is the name of a new version, the Office 2007. So you need only Office 2000. You just select Office, then in this case we select Microsoft PowerPoint. You can also select WinWord for doc documents and so on, Outlook. You go on Öffnen, on OK, and now you see the icon. The icon should change. If I demonstrate it again, like the Internet Explorer, the icon changes. Let's look at the recycle bin. Therefore, we right click on it, go to Properties. Here we see the two options. The first option says how much data you can put in recycle bin. The second option says that the dialog is shown. Do you really want to delete it or is not shown? Now, if you delete some things from the recycle bin, it's possible for Capsys Germany to recover your data back. So don't worry about it, just contact us. Let's continue. If you've accidentally deleted recycle bin from your desktop, when go to right click on the desktop to Anpassen, change desktop symbols, and here on recycle bin. Now you have restored recycle bin. Last, let's look how to start Task Manager. Task Manager can be started by right clicking on a blank space, selecting Task Manager, and here you can see the running processes and the applications. If you want to sort it by CPU usage, you just click on CPU or RAM. That's also a great possibility to stop the entrance from bouncing. It sometimes bounces and it is annoying. So just click on Beschreibung or Arbeitsspeicher. Then you can sort it. You can also start Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Alt and Delete.